specialty of conic section. I expected anyone will ask, sir, why we are doing this type of construction? What is the use? I told that we engineers are very selfish in nature. I repeat this statement several times. Now, first logic of conic section. In conic section, we made always keep one as a variable. You know what is the meaning of variable? What is the meaning of variable?
Its value may be changed.
Change. Remaining all are
Constant.
constant. Very good answer. Listen. You see, I will draw a figure. In first, directrix is fixed. Axis line is fixed. Focus is defined, fixed point. This is axis. This is directrix. What is the variable, Amma? Only variable is a vertex. Only variable is vertex. Less than one. Less than one means vertex is nearest to focus. Vertex is nearest to focus. That's why it is called ellipse. See, second method. Directrix fixed. Perpendicular line, axis, focus. Vertex is at center point. Vertex is at equidistance from focus, equidistance from directrix. That's why it is one. That is parabola. Third, directrix is fixed. Focus is fixed. This is axis. This is directrix. Vertex is nearest to directrix or away from focus. Nearest to directrix, here nearest to focus. Vertex is nearest to focus. That's why it is ellipse. But equidistance from vertex, focus and directrix is parabola. And it is away from focus, nearest to directrix is called hyperbola. What is the variable among all three conditions? Which one is a variable I taken?
Vertex.
Vertex is the only variable. Remaining all points are having fixed destination. Understand, if vertex is nearest to focus, that is called ellipse. If vertex is equidistant from focus and directrix, is called parabola. If vertex is nearest to directrix or away from focus, is called hyperbola. Got my point? That's why I made only one variable. One entity is only changing its value. Remaining all are fixed. Remaining all are
Fixed.
Jagratam. This is the first strength of conic section. Okay. What is the now I am praising conic. What I am praising? We made all parameters fixed, only one variable, that is vertex. If vertex is nearest to focus, we will construct ellipse. If vertex is equidistant from focus and directrix, it is parabola. If vertex is nearest to directrix and away from focus, is called hyperbola. Now, what is the one more strength of this? Here, center is fixed. What is fixed, Amma? What is the fixed?
Center.
Center, yeah, always, but radius is variable. What is the variable second? What is the variable? You remember how? 1 dash has a radius, F as center. 2 dash has a radius, F as center. 3 dash has a radius, F as center. Center is fixed, but radius is variable. That is second segment. Getting my point? Understanding? Noting down these things? Because these things will help you to write comparison between conic section and cycloidal curve. Comparison between ellipse and parabola. Comparison between parabola and hyperbola. Comparison cheyalamma. Comparison cheyalante you have to tell the difference. What is the difference here? Here vertex is nearest to focus, that's why it is ellipse. Here vertex is equidistant from focus and directrix, that's why it is parabola. This is the relation difference. What is the difference between parabola and hyperbola? In parabola, vertex is equidistant from directrix and focus. But here vertex is nearest to directrix, away from focus. That's why it is hyperbola. Second, what is the thing? Here center is fixed, sir, but radius is variable for getting each point. Center is fixed, radius is variable. Okay. These all are fundamental differences between corresponding elements. Any doubts? Any doubts? These all are 1 mark question, Amma. These all are one. Here I am drawing graph as well as explaining theoretical difference. Getting my point? Yes. Jagratam. Next. Why we consider these all those things? Can you tell me ellipse applications? Next is the application. First, how we will ask questions, I will tell. Definition. What are the definition he will ask? Definition of conic section, definition of ellipse, definition of parabola, definition of hyperbola. Chapana leda? Can I told all definitions?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I told comparison. Comparison between ellipse and parabola, parabola and hyperbola. Agree? Agree?
Sir.
Next, what I told, this is next question is comparison. Distinguish. He may use anything, Amma. Words, what is using is not important. Distinguish between ellipse, parabola, parabola, hyperbola, hyperbola, ellipse, whatever it may be. Then, what are the major conditions we have? Two conditions. Center is fixed. Condition of conic section. This is the condition for conic section. Center is fixed, radius is variable. This is the condition for whether it may be ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Conditions are same. Agree? Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Now, what are the applications, Amma? Next, he will ask application. These all are probable questions in annual exam for 1 mark and 2 marks. What I am telling. This is the way. Definition, conic section, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Comparison, distinguish between. Here is strength. It is applicable when I will talk cycloidal curve. Until that time, wait. Comparison between ellipse, parabola, parabola, hyperbola, hyperbola, ellipse. Anything, Amma. XY, YZ, ZX. Any comparison. Next application. Can you tell me what are the applications, Amma, in real engineering? What are the applications of ellipse? Ellipse application. Can you give one realistic example of ellipse, Amma? Realistic example of ellipse.
To measure distance in space.
Ellipse example అడిగాను, స్టోరీ అడగలేదు. ఏం అడిగాను? What I asked? Ellipse engineering application. Yes. First best example is egg, Amma. Egg is egg, Amma. What is the shape of the egg?
Ellipse.
Elliptical in nature. What is the shape? Elliptical in nature. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Oval ground. Can you heard oval ground?
Solar system.
Yes, Amma.
Solar system.
Solar system. Go see. Once I give one clue, you can write n number of applications, Amma. Solar system is elliptical in nature. Very good. Next. Next. Anyone observed rugby ball? Rugby ball.
Sir.
Chusara? Not football, cricket ball, hockey ball. Rugby ball. Vinara?
Yes, sir.
These all are applications of ellipse. Can you tell applications of parabola? He will ask, write 2 applications. I am giving. You can write all similar applications. I am not denying. Parabola applications. Parabola application. Tushar Epadra. What is that?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Chusara. Umbrella is in the form of. In the form of. In the form of.
Hemisphere. Hemisphere.
Headlamp. Headlamp in the form of. Yes. Can you add some more?
Dish.
Dish ledamma. Dish led. Ball. Ball in the ball. Katori. That is in the form of parabolic nature. Next.
Half
All
broken
ball.
ball.
Yes, Amma.
Broken ball, sir.
Half broken ball also. Okay. But that is the cut section. We are not talking. We are talking realistic object. Ball rack. You will take curries, na? Curries. Can you take in balls curries? Yes or no? Ball. That is all are in the form of parabolic nature. Anything else? I want.
Cap. Cap.
Yes, Amma.
Cap.
I'm not getting voice clearly, Amma. That statement.
Cap.
I'm not. What is that?
Cap, sir.
Cap. Cap. And I not observed. Next. You can write so many, Amma. With respect to solar system, can you observe rainbow? Chusara?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Hey, every example, if I tell what you are doing, you all are sleeping mode. I told that what will be the parabolic nature, all should comes under this example, etc. All example I am giving, I expected who told solar system, he will tell rainbow also. Nothing, Amma. Anything which is in the form of parabolic nature, that's why I give an umbrella example, headlamp example, then ball, cap, rainbow, goes on writing. What are the applications of hyperbola? Somebody given hyperbola application in parabola. Can you repeat that? Yes. Hey, Intigi, Dish TV unda?
Yes, sir.
Dish TV chusara?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dish TV is a example of hyperbolic nature. Your dish where you will take food. Food is a hyperbolic nature. Can you observe? Its curvature is very minimum. Its curvature is minimum. Here curvature is maximum. That's why I asked you people, what is the difference between hyperbola and parabola? But no one answered. See, difference between where is that paper?
Concave mirror also, sir. Parabolic.
Here. What is the difference? You see, its shape is moving downward direction, but it is moving outskirt direction. It is moving outskirt. It is going away. Parabolic nature always like this. Hyperbolic natures always like this. Dish, all those things. Always you have to remember. Apart from that, anything else you want to give? Dish. Can you have cup of tea? Cup of tea. Can you have cup of tea? How you will have? Can you
Saucer.
give?
Saucer.
Sir. I am giving real life example where you can see curvatureness. It should be as minimum. So like that cup comes under parabolic nature, but saucer comes under hyperbolic nature. These all are different examples, Amma, and realistic
Head of the
example.
school.
Boiler. Can you observe boiler shape? Can you observe boiler shape? Can anyone observe? This
Yes,
is
sir.
one face of boiler. This is chimney. Chimney where hot gases are emitting towards atmosphere in industry. Observed big chimneys in industry? Yes. Chusara boiler thermal power plant. Can anytime
Yes,
see
sir.
Yes, sir.
thermal power plant? We have boilers, some, but boilers, this phase and this phase are in the form of hyperbolic nature, or you call it as cooling tower. You call it as cooling. You can name it in different scenarios. So any components which we are using, it should have this type of methodology. These all are applications of this. So remember, I concluded sheet number 3 with respect to definition, with respect to comparison, with respect to application. Now, left out is criticism. What is left out, Amma? What is left out? What I used word? Which word I used?
Criticize.
Criticize. What is the one more name of criticize? One more name of. Yes, I wrote. What is that? Advantages, disadvantages. What is the thing? Advantage is strength. Disadvantage is. Yes. I am audible. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Disadvantage is weakness, Amma. You may call it as advantage, disadvantage. You may call it as merit, demerit. You may call it as strength, weakness. You may call anything. Still, I not criticized. When I will criticize in next classes, that is disadvantages, that is demerits, that is weakness. Understand? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
This is the way I will teach. Means I will cover everything, but I will cover based on why I will criticize, that I will tell in next class. Anything else? Otherwise, shall we wind up? I will take attendance, wait for a while. Already we are late. Yes. Any doubts? Otherwise, when we have class on Monday, we will cover remaining topic. Right. We will go for next sheet. Now, sheet number 3 is completed. You can draw front, back, all 3 figures, and along with that cone which is divided into section 1, 2, 3. Right. See you. Bye.